Unit 1 Circuit Theory and DC Machines. What is the SI unit of electric charge? Option B Coulomb. What is the formula for Coulomb's law describing the force between 2-point charges? Option B F equal to KQ 1Q2 by R cap 2. What does the electric field represent? Option A force per unit charge. What is the direction of the electric field produced by a positive point charge? Option A away from the charge. Which of the following materials is a good insulator? Option C rubber. What is the formula for the electric potential energy between 2-point charges? Option B U equal to KQ 1Q2 by R cap 2. What happens to the electric potential energy of two like charges when they are both closer together? Option B it decreases. What does Guess law relate to in electrostatics? Option B electric flux and charge enclosed. What does the electric field inside a conductor in electrostatic equilibrium equal to? Option A 0. What is the principle behind a Van de Graaff generator? Option C charging by contact. What is the direction of the electric field lines due to a negative point charge? Option B toward the charge. What happens to the electric field between two opposite charges when the distance between them is increased? It decreases. What does it mean if an object becomes positively charged? Option A it loses electrons. What is the property of a material that determines its ability to conduct electricity? Option B conductivity. Which law states that the net electric flux through any closed surface is proportional to the enclosed law electric charge? Option C Guess's laws. What happens to the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when the distance between the plates increases? Option B it decreases. What is the SI unit of electric potential? Option A volt. What is the formula for electric potential difference between 2 points? Option A V equal to W by Q. What is the formula for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor? Option C C equal to A by D 0. What is the function of a dielectric material inside a capacitor? Option B to increase the capacitance. What is the net electric flux through a closed surface surrounding a point charge? Option B, positive. What is the following is an example of an insulator? Option C, glass. What is the direction of the electric field at a point due to a positive point charge? Option A, away from the charge. What is the SI unit of electric field strength? Option D, Newton per Coulomb. What happens to the force between two charges when the distance between them is tripled? Option C, it becomes 1/3. What is the direction of the force between two positive charges? Option B, repulsion. What is the electric field intensity at the surface of a charged conductor? Option A, 0. What does the electric field strength of a point charge depend on? Option A, charge and distance. What is the electric field inside a charged spherical conductor? Option A, 0. What does the direction of electric field lines at a point represent? Option A, direction of force on a positive test charge. What happens to the electric field between two opposite charges when the magnitude of one charge is doubled? Option A, it doubles. What is the force between two charges that are 1 meter apart with magnitudes of 2c and 3c respectively? Option B, 9N. What is the electric potential at a point in space? Option B, what is the force between two charges that are 1 meter apart with magnitudes of 2c and 3c respectively? Option B, 9N. What is the electric potential at a point in space? Option B, the work done per unit charge in bringing a test charge to the point from infinity. What is the formula for the force between two charges? Option B, F equal to KQ1Q2 by R cap 2. What is the electric field strength at a distance of 2 meters from a point charge of magnitude 4c? Option A, 1 N by C. What is the direction of electric field inside a charge conductor? Option B, away from the charge. What happens to the electric potential energy between two opposite charges when they are brought closer together? Option A, it increases. What happens to the electric potential energy between two opposite charges when they are moved from further apart? Option B, it decreases. What does the electric field strength at a point depend on? Option B, magnitude and distance from the charge. What is the electric field strength at a distance of 1 meter from a point charge of magnitude 5C? Option B, 5 N by C. What is the direction of the electric field due to a negative charge? Option A, away from the charge. What is the direction of the force between two negative charges? Option B, repulsion. What happens to the electric field between two like charges when the distance between them is increased? Option A, it increases. What is the formula for the electric field intensity at a point due to a point charge? Option A, E equal to E kq by R cap 2. What happens to the electric field strength between two opposite charges when the distance between them is doubled? Option A, it is halved.